afternoon, guys. I thought I'd give you guys a quick garden tour since my glasses are going to get darker because the sun's finally peeked its head out a little bit. We do have some clouds in the sky that are kind of dark, so we might still get rain tonight. We've been getting a lot of rain, which is super cool because it feeds the garden, and the ground really needs it, you know. We've been getting rain at least once a week, which is really nice. And here we go. We're in our garden, so let's give you a tour. So first of all, we have Swiss chard over here, peas over here. I think it was just too cold when I planted them. But celery's doing okay. It still needs to bulk up a little bit before I pick it. We do have some good stalks on there, as you can see here. But I just fed it a little bit ago. Took the barrier off, the freeze barrier cloth off. And so that will be hopefully picking up some more growth in the sun that's out here right now. We have a couple of broccoli over here. Oh, you can still see some of my feed on there. A little bit of blood meal. Nice broccoli head there. Still going to let that grow a little bit. I usually wait until around an hour before dinner to pick some broccoli. We are getting some side shoots off of this one. I already picked off the main head. Here's another good sized broccoli. This one's pretty much ready to go. It's a good size. You can see it compared to my hand. And then we'll collect shoots off the side of that one. This is all cilantro. We have been picking from it. That's why this side is lower and this side is higher. Every week we have a taco night and we have some cilantro with it. So, and you know, we've picked from some of this broccoli here, and we have some side shoots coming in there. Is wonderful. And also here, some nice big heads. And hopefully it rains tonight and waters that in. Got a lot of broken side shoots here. Pull them off and give them to the ladies over there that every time I come out here and stand in the garden, they go nutso. Something's been eating something. A rabbit has been eating these peas over here. Some more cilantro there. A nice little cabbage there that's starting to take off. It had other cabbages around it, and I guess it was a little overcrowded, so it took a while. Rabbit's eating off the top of my carrots, so I don't know if I'll get any more production out of those. I got a good amount of carrots already. This is our, why am I drawing a blank? Garlic. And we have 4 different varieties here. California, some's from Oregon, some's from the east here, and we'll see what grows up quick. It looks like it's even growing more, but we got a really nice good start to these. I soaked them in fertilizer for a few hours before I planted them, and that turned out great. Just dumped a bunch of manure in these beds, which it's going to be a while before I plant anything in that. So that's mostly aged chicken manure, and then the white sprinkly stuff there, you can see the lines. That is egg shells that I've ground down and put in there. You can do something where you mix it with vinegar water and it makes it more active and ready to use. I just didn't want to bother. I put a bunch in here as well, and another cabbage head over there. And so I am looking forward. We got this garden space over here that we're getting ready for next year, and I just straightened that tarp out and I got to do it again. So nice big in-ground garden bed over here. This whole area, the only thing we had last year were these 8 beds. It's all we had last year, and we've increased that by another almost 8 beds. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 7 beds. So we'll have 7 more beds out here. And then I'll probably plant some things in buckets along the fence line. And then outside the fence line, we'll probably do potatoes or something in the ground there, as long as I can get it to be fluffy enough. So that's how the garden is looking here in January 9th. So we'll probably be harvesting most of this soon. So that's how the garden looks here on January 9th. And I don't know if I'll be able to keep the garden going after this much longer. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick glimpse of everything while we have something still in the ground. And then next week we should be getting starts in the ground. We're very excited about, or not in the ground, we should be getting starts going. So look for those videos. And I'm just very happy with the little bit of garden that we had this year. And this is our first year of garden on the homestead. So, well, 2023 was our first year of garden on the homestead. So we're looking forward to 2024. And hopefully these next garden beds will be better. I started all these first garden beds, all 8 of them, with super soil. And I had to amend my brains out with, amendments in these garden beds because the super soil wasn't so super. This is just topsoil in the new garden beds from around here, with me adding amendments to the top, and also I'll be adding some compost to everything. I'm a little bit behind the game on some of that. Plus, I've added things into the bottom of these beds, some old pieces of wood and some burnt char wood and some charcoal and a bunch of leaves in the bottom and in the top. And so hopefully that will all come together and make some beautiful, wonderful garden beds for next year. So we'll see you when we start planting seeds, and it will be exciting. We'll get this going. And hopefully you'll come along and plant some of your own. God bless you guys, and have a great and wonderful day. Bye.
Goodbye.